In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in Miro. Let's get started by opening Miro in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you want to take notes or brainstorm. This could be a blank canvas or an existing board you're collaborating on. Give it a moment to load so all the tools appear on the left side. Now here's the quickest way to create sticky notes. Press the N key on your keyboard. When you do, the Sticky Notes tool opens in the left toolbar, showing a palette of different colors. This is your shortcut to keep your flow moving without hunting through menus. You'll see a range of note colors. Pick the one that best fits your theme or category. To add it to your board, simply click and drag your chosen color from the toolbar onto the canvas, then release. That's it. Your sticky note is created. As soon as the note lands, start typing to add your text. If you click away by accident, just double-click the note to edit it again. You can resize the note by dragging its corners, and if you need more room for text, make it wider or taller until it's easy to read. If you change your mind about the color, use the small formatting menu that appears when the note is selected to switch to a different color or adjust the text size. If pressing N doesn't seem to work, look for the sticky note icon in the left toolbar and open it from there. Some browsers or custom shortcuts can interfere, but the tool is always available. To duplicate a note quickly, select it and press Ctrl or Command D or hold Alt or Option while dragging to create a copy. This is useful when you're listing ideas and want to keep consistent formatting. Miro's smart guides will help you align notes neatly as you drag them around so your board stays organized. For smoother navigation, zoom with your mouse wheel or trackpad and hold space to temporarily pan around the board. On smaller screens, if the toolbar isn't visible, try zooming out slightly or expanding your browser window. And that's all you need. You opened Miro, went to your board, pressed N to bring up sticky notes, and dragged your chosen color onto the canvas. With those basics, you can capture ideas fast, organize them visually, and keep your collaboration clear and consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your boards with sticky notes in Miro.